we are nearly ready to go. Pushing back, taking off. Once we get going, flight time to London, 9 hours and 9 minutes.
I need a distraction, cause I've been spending too much time at the gallery of memories, pretend they all still mine. It's a trick of a mind that's trying to hold on to a love that's dying, cause letting go means saying goodbye, and I ain't ready for that. Cause all that I ever do is trying to get over you. I know, I know, I know, I gotta let you go. And all that I ever need is you right next to me. I know, I know, I know that I gotta let you go. Cause all
we ended up getting the Coppa Club burger. Feeling lucky, that has Smirnoff Black, watermelon, strawberries, Fever Tree, Mexican lime soda. That's why I got it. Thank you.
I need a remedy, some melody, some of the faces that I don't recognize. I find someone new, I ain't looking for a friendship. When it's done, I'm running for the exit, back into the blue. Cause all that I ever do is try to
We're on our way to get breakfast at the Sky something. But we don't want to be taking Ubers anymore because they're hella expensive, girl. Oh, look at the background. It's so pretty. Hopefully it doesn't rain. But now we gotta look for where we can get an Oyster card. I looked it up yesterday in the cafe, but I don't know. We made it inside the bus and it was a lot easier than we thought. We just had to Apple Pay.
35.
And we were looking everywhere for the damn Oyster card. It was like 7 euros and you can only pay in efectivo. So we're like, damn, we're never gonna be able to ride the bus. Girl, I'm so disappointed in us, but happy that we figured it out eventually. Yeah, and it was only $2.60. Yeah, $1.30 per ride, and that's a lot better than $30 with Uber. Yo pensé que tiene. Friend, I just realized that these are called lifts. Because he's like, just take the lift all the way to the. And then our apartment is a flat. Our flat. Got the sunrise at Sky Garden because the reservations to actually eat here were booked up. So I would suggest if you want to come here to do it way in advance, like weeks in advance. And so now we're just getting our cafecito. Then you get a little pastry. I got the chocolate croissant and then a latte con un chingo de azúcar. I need more sugar. This is Buckingham Palace. Currently waiting for the changing of the guards. We came to see the changing of the guards, but it turns out that the guards don't change today. They changed yesterday, and then they're changing tomorrow. So we might come tomorrow, but we leave tomorrow. So I don't know, but we're gonna go take some pictures with the Big Ben. Yeah, the bridge. We're gonna go to the Westminster Bridge, see if we could find this spot that I found on Instagram where it's like you get like this very picturesque, not so like busy Big Ben touristic photo. So let's see if we find it. This is just, it was pretty. What did you think of it?
Very nice.
It was cute, huh?
It's nice to see it live and in person.
Yeah. Let's get going and continue to be tourists.
I'm the illest. Rolling up, like already did it. With the subs up, you better listen. Coming up, but ain't no competition. Nah, I ain't tripping. Nah, all the boys gotta move into my flow. Now the girls got them dropping low. Going through the most, cause they ain't afraid to grow. Coast to the coast, I'ma hit your radio. Dreaming about it every day. I know that. Now I'm back on my way. I know that. I've been on my gun, I've been telling myself I do it for me, man, for nobody else. I'm nothing, I'm looking what I see. Hit different. When a little mama got a big vision. Hit different.
Bro, it is 7 pounds.
The distance.
We could smuggle some hot Cheetos and make a living.
Hit different. With the bang, ready. Hit different. Ooh, over there. Who's the hot one with the long hair? Looky. Ooh, that's me. Mirror, showing them a bad bitch. And I don't see the girl that I fell. Sit down and out on the self. A total mind and body globe down in every cell. Living it up. Oh, and I'ma go and kill it, cause it's just what I do. Dreaming about it every day. I know that. Now I'm finally on my way. I know that. I've been on my gun, I've been telling myself I do it for me, man, for nobody else. I'm nothing, I'm looking what I see. Hit different. When a little mama got a big vision. Hit different. Aiming high, maybe I go the distance. I've been putting in work, putting in time, putting me first. Now my whole life hit different. With the bang, bang, bang. Boom, bang. Boom, bada, boom, bada. Hit different. Boom, bang. Boom, bada,
We are trying out the little sandwiches.
As we leave Charing Cross
The little
Bridge,
sandwich, this
look
one
to
is
the right.
salmon
You'll see
on
the Royal
cream
Festival
cheese, I
Hall
think.
open. To the left, you'll see Essendon's defeat of Napoleon at the
I'm
Battle
good
of
without
the River
this,
Nile.
honestly. Did she say one was like boil with something? Chicken curry?
Road
I just don't like the stale bread. That I cannot pass
Waterloo,
that.
as the men were away fighting
This
for
one is
king
the
and
hot
country,
Cheeto.
80% of the
I'm just kidding.
workforce were female.
I don't know what this is.
Measuring 1/4 of a mile in length, is the only bridge ever built on time and also under budget. Hats off, rather unfairly
It just
labelled a
none of them hit.
monstrosity
like
by
I
her
thought.
son, King
I thought they
Charles
would.
III.
All hitting me.
He referred to it as a hideous car bomb.
I've only had this, and it's really good.
But it is.
Are you
if you
sure?
can see the archway on the ground
It looks-
floor,
doesn't
consider
this
the
look like
river used to flow
the,
through there. That was before the embankment wall was built
I was
in the
like, is
1860s. That
what is
is
it,
the
the yolk
Victoria
of an egg?
embankment. You can see each lamppost has a put there by the Victorians as a flood warning indicator.
It has
if
the
the river ever
yolk
rose above the
texture.
lions' heads, the adjacent underground would be evacuated as it was liable to flood. The Victorian policeman wrote a little rhyme to help them remember this. See if you can finish them with me. When the lions'
doesn't have a
heads are
taste.
drinking, London surely.
You started with the least favorite one, mine.
This is good. This I feel like is like chocolate, just normal chocolate.
To our right-hand side, the red brick at certain states
Trying
of
this
tide,
one. Which one was
it
this
resembles a tunnel.
Like a lemon
And
meringue
we,
pie.
watermen of Venus, if you turn to your loved one, give them a kiss as we sail through the tunnel here.
Here's the love.
If you're not with your loved one today, just turn to your husband.
I'm dead.
I hear it works in just the same way.
We finally got fish and chips. We've been up for hours. I'm delirious, but we're gonna finally try it. Believe it or not, it's also like 9 o'clock at night. It's alright. The chips are good. We just left the tavern. It is 9 o'clock at night, believe it or not, and look at how bright it is. That is the tavern. We are heading to the flat because we need to pack to go to Italy tomorrow. Yes, actually, speak for yourself. Casi hambre tengo. Un hambre. Que cuando lleguemos allá we're gonna be... Let me show you guys where we're staying. You see that pretty brown building with the white windows? We're not staying there. I wish we did, but we're across from there. It has a lot of character.
Oh my god.
What? I'm scared.
See the shadow of us?
Well, no quiero hablar mal, pero quiero hablar mal. This is not the best. Y me están grabando in the ring, so. Stop. Look. Oh my god. That's how we shower. This is a room tour because we're leaving. So this is the room tour, a real ass room tour. Have all my stuff up here. The makeup getting ready station, the bed, yeah, and then I have this charging thing for everything. This is the best. I got it from Amazon, and you could choose, like, it has different plug adapters, so you just need one to travel internationally. But anyways, I'm gonna pack. Right on time? And I think the last thing I told you guys was I didn't want to complain. Oh my god. Oh my god.